Good morning, students. I'm Professor Nitesh Sharma. Students, today I am teaching you fermented food productions. So, students, this topic fermented food production is included in paper second genetics and biotechnology of BSc part second. In this topic, we will study how the process of fermentation is useful in food production. So, students, fermentation in food processing is the process of converting carbohydrates to alcohol or organic acids using microorganisms, yeasts, or bacteria under anaerobic conditions. Fermentation usually implies that the action of microorganisms is desired. The science of fermentation is known as zymology or zymergy. The term fermentation sometimes refers specifically to the chemical conversion of sugars into ethanol, producing alcoholic drinks such as wine, beer, and cider. However, similar processes take place in the leavening of bread, CO2 produced by yeast activity, and in the preservation of sour foods with the production of lactic acid, such as in sauerkraut and yogurt. Other widely consumed fermented foods include vinegar, olives, and cheese. More localized foods prepared by fermentation may also be based on beans, grain, vegetables, fruit, honey, dairy products, and fish. So, students, fermentation is a metabolic process that produces chemical changes in organic substrates through the action of enzymes. In biochemistry, it is narrow defined as the extraction of energy from carbohydrates in the absence of oxygen. In food production, it may more broadly refer to any process in which the activity of microorganisms brings about a desirable change to a food stuff or beverage. The science of fermentation is known as zymology. In microorganisms, fermentation is the primary means of producing adenosine triphosphate ATP by the degradation of organic nutrients anaerobically. Humans have used fermentation to produce foodstuffs and beverages since the Neolithic age. For example, fermentation is used for preservation in a process that produces lactic acid found in such sour foods as pickled cucumbers, kombucha, kimchi, and yogurt, as well as for producing alcoholic beverages such as wine and beer. Fermentation also occurs within the gastrointestinal tracts of all animals, including humans. So, students, processing foods by fermentation. Fermented foods are preserved by the production of citric acid or acetic acids by beneficial bacteria such as Lactobacillus, Streptococcus, Bacillus, and Pseudomonas, yeasts, and fungi that use the food as a substrate for their growth and metabolism. Most bacteria grow best between pH 5.5 and 7 and do not thrive in acidic environments below pH 4.5. This type of food preservation has been used for centuries and provides unique flavors and textures to foods. Commonly consumed fermented foods include sausages, sauerkraut, pickles, yogurt, cheeses, soy sauce, and balsamic vinegar. The fermentation processes generates new flavors and textures to foods and keeps them from spoiling. The addition of salt and heat during canning can prolong the storage time of fermented foods even longer. Beer, wine, and hard apple cider are examples of beverages in which alcohol and acid are byproducts of fermentation. The alcohol is produced by yeasts such as Saccharomyces from the naturally occurring sugars in the beverages. So, students, fermented foods are foods and beverages that have undergone controlled microbial growth and fermentation. Fermentation is an anaerobic process in which microorganisms like yeast and bacteria break down food components, example, sugars such as glucose, into other products, example, organic acids, gases, or alcohol. So, the process of fermentation destroys many of the harmful microorganisms and chemicals in foods and adds beneficial bacteria. These bacteria produce new enzymes to assist in the digestion. Foods that benefit from fermentation are soy products, dairy products, grains, and some vegetables. Fermented foods are defined as foods or beverages produced through controlled microbial growth and the conversion of food components through enzymatic action. Many foods have historically undergone fermentation, including meat and fish, dairy, vegetables, soybeans, other legumes, cereals, and fruits. So, students, fermented foods are preserved by the production of citric, lactic, or acetic acid by beneficial bacteria such as lactobacillus, streptococcus, bacillus, and pseudomonas, yeasts, and fungi that use the food as a substrate for their growth and metabolism. So, students, when yeast cells are kept in an anaerobic environment, that is without oxygen, they switch to alcoholic fermentation to generate usable energy from food like lactic acid fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation generates NAD plus, so the glycolysis can continue to produce ATP. While there are a number of products from fermentation, the most common are ethanol, lactic acid, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen gas. So, students, thanks for listening and thanks for your patience.